Did you know? The fastest way to ruin a shrimp is to boil it like you always do. You heard that right? I used to do exactly that. Take the frozen shrimp out, soak them in water, and boil. But when it came time to eat, the shrimp turned out mushy, bland, and tasted like something that had been sitting around too long. The natural sweetness was gone, and the texture wasn't firm anymore. So in today's video, I am going to show you the proper way to thaw and cook shrimp. It's not complicated. It doesn't require fancy techniques, but the result is surprisingly good. And especially at the end of the video, I will reveal a super simple shrimp recipe that tastes just like something from a 5-star restaurant. If you're a shrimp lover, don't skip this one. Let's get started. Like many people, I used to have the habit of freezing shrimp whenever buying more than I could eat at once. It just made sense. Fresh shrimp isn't always available at the market, so it's more convenient to buy in bulk and freeze for later. But when it came time to cook, the usual methods of thawing included transferring shrimp to the fridge overnight or soaking them in warm water to speed up the process. If you're still doing this, stop right away. These methods unintentionally cause the shrimp to lose flavor, turn mushy, and lose their natural vibrant color after cooking. The reason is that when shrimp come into direct contact with water or are exposed to the wrong temperature, the muscle fibers break down and the proteins shrink, compromising the shrimp's quality. On top of that, uneven temperature can create conditions for bacteria to grow, leading to moisture loss, decreased elasticity, and a loss of the shrimp's original flavor. Instead, let me show you how to thaw shrimp naturally at room temperature. It only takes a few minutes if the shrimp isn't too large. It's very simple. Just sprinkle a little coarse salt over the surface of the frozen shrimp and let it sit for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you'll notice a clear difference. The ice layer begins to melt, and the shrimp flesh gradually softens without releasing water or losing flavor. The reason is that salt has mild moisture-drawing properties and natural antibacterial effects. When it comes in contact with the shrimp's surface, the salt helps pull moisture away from the icy coating, gently breaking down the ice crystals. This speeds up thawing without causing thermal shock. Not only that, salt also helps eliminate the slight fishy smell on the shrimp shells, something often found after long-term freezing. After this step, you just need to place the shrimp into clean water, but make sure to pour out the first batch of water to reduce excess salt, so it doesn't get absorbed into the shrimp and make them too salty when eaten. Then, soak them in a second batch of clean water and wait a few more minutes. At this point, the shrimp will gradually become soft, the meat will firm up, and the color will return to a fresh look as if they were still alive. This natural and simple defrosting method not only helps preserve the sweetness, but also retains the original texture and flavor, something that warm water thawing methods simply cannot achieve. After properly thawing the shrimp, the next step is to clean and prep them for your delicious dish. I once made a whole video showing how to prep shrimp while keeping their shape intact. Feel free to scroll back and check it out. The method is simple and doesn't require any fancy tools. First, you'll want to trim off the shrimp's antenna using scissors. Use scissors instead of your hands to avoid getting poked by the sharp tips on the shrimp's head. Those antennae and spines can be quite pointy. Next, it's time to clean the inside. If you look closely, you'll notice a small black dot inside the shrimp's head, just beneath the shell. This is the stomach and liver area, and it often holds a lot of impurities. Another part that needs to be removed is the shrimp's digestive tract. This is the black vein that runs along the shrimp's back. The way to remove it is very simple. Gently bend the shrimp's head, being careful not to detach it completely. Then lightly press the joint between the head and the body. This will cause the stomach and liver to squeeze out along the back vein. Next, gently pull, and the black string will slide out in one smooth motion without breaking. Very clean and tidy. That's how you clean the shrimp thoroughly without ruining their shape. repeat the same steps for the rest of the shrimp. Once you're done, rinse everything one more time with clean water to completely remove any remaining residue. Then drain the shrimp and set them aside for cooking. Once the shrimp have been drained, place them in a large bowl or dish. Prepare a few slices of fresh ginger, chopped finely. Add everything directly into the bowl of shrimp and mix well. Adding ginger, scallions, and oil to the shrimp not only helps to naturally eliminate any fishy smell, but also tenderizes the meat, gives it a glossy look, retains moisture during cooking, and most importantly, preserves the fresh, delicate flavor while making the shrimp sweeter and firmer. Next comes the steaming step. I previously shared a method for steaming shrimp with beer for an extra fragrant result. But afterward, many people commented and asked, "What if we don't have beer at home?" The truth is, there's an even simpler way to steam shrimp that completely replaces beer with plain water. This is a traditional steaming method that doesn't require much effort at all. First, pour water into a steamer pot and bring it to a full boil over high heat before adding the shrimp. Spread the shrimp out evenly so they cook uniformly and look visually appealing. Steaming shrimp in boiling water ensures they cook quickly without any fishy smell. Next, to save time on preparing dipping sauce, leave a space in the middle of the steamer and place a small bowl inside. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a few pieces of chopped scallions, shredded ginger, a bit of cooking oil, and if you want a more intense flavor, a few slices of chili. Then cover the pot and steam everything for 6 minutes. This is the perfect amount of time for the shrimp to cook just right, firm, not mushy, while retaining their natural sweetness, springiness, and a beautiful, vibrant orange-red color. Especially with this steaming method, you don't need any fancy ingredients, yet the shrimp preserves all their natural flavors, not watered down, not fishy, but rich with a wonderfully aromatic scent. When the shrimp are just finished steaming, each one has bright red, firm flesh, no different from freshly steamed shrimp. You see, at the same time, you can both steam the shrimp and prepare a flavorful, fragrant dipping sauce. With the dipping sauce, you can totally remove the ginger and green onions because during the steaming process, their aroma has already infused into the soy sauce, making the sauce wonderfully fragrant and rich in flavor. Now just plate and enjoy. Thanks to the proper thawing, preparation, and steaming process, each shrimp retains its natural sweetness and rich ocean flavor without any fishy smell. The mild aroma of scallions, ginger, and light soy sauce is just enough to enhance the taste without overpowering it. Whether paired with steaming hot white rice or served on its own as an appetizer, this steamed shrimp dish delivers a well-rounded, satisfying, and refreshing experience. It's not only visually appealing and easy to prepare, but also a dish that will have the whole family raving from the very first bite. It only takes a gentle peel of the outer shell for you to immediately feel the perfection. The shell comes off easily, revealing pinkish, tender, glossy shrimp meat. As soon as you peel it, the sweet shrimp juice flows out from inside, releasing the distinctive aroma of fresh seafood. Dip it into that rich, flavorful sauce, and it's simply amazing. The most wonderful thing about this shrimp dish is that it hardly needs any complicated seasoning. To make the steamed shrimp dish reach full deliciousness, whether using frozen shrimp or freshly bought ones, you also need to pay attention to how you select the shrimp. It's best to choose shrimp that are bright in color, with outer shells that are transparent or slightly grayish. Those are fresh shrimp or ones that were frozen while still alive. Avoid choosing shrimp with a cloudy color, black spots, or flesh that separates from the shell. Another way is to pay attention to the smell of the shrimp. This method is also very easy to recognize. Fresh shrimp usually have a light ocean scent, not a strong fishy or unpleasant odor. So today, I have shown you how to master frozen shrimp, how to thaw and steam them while still keeping the quality and deliciousness just as good as fresh shrimp. I hope today's video can help you gain more experience and improve your cooking skills for family meals. Be sure to save this and try it out so your loved ones can enjoy it too. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so I have more motivation to make even more videos. Thank you, and see you in tomorrow's video.